Dog pooed on our lawn today. The neighbour's dog. Not very keen on that one. It's got on our lawn. Did you put it on Dave's lawn? You didn't? You stuck it on his driveway?
That's on his lawn.
I reckon he might have seen that. We'll go out here. This is our way through this door here. Takes us to the lounge dining room. Just put the light in a minute. Hang on. Whoops. There goes the thing. Hang on. Put the light on. That's in here. This is the dining room. It's got all the laundry on the table. Doesn't look like this always, honest. Okay, it's the light fitting and all that. Da, da, da. That's the laundry through there. Won't take you into the laundry. That's a disaster area. Oh, we better put the light on in here. This is the lounge. And over here. There you go, lounge. Oh Lord, your doggy dee dee. Cathedral scene. Da 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 da.
View from the Frith's backyard. That's their back door. You've got the hills. Then the sun's over there, so I won't go over there. I'll show you where the train crash was. I can walk around here. Careful not to knock anything. Right. There's a bridge. It was right down in there. Kind of around in there where the train crashed. It was pretty bad. Fatality and everything. Let me get their house back down. Hang on a minute. There's a dip here somewhere. That's their grass. Ow! Found a nettle. Okay, that's the utility room and the dining room, living room, kitchen, breakfast room, rumpus room, and inside should be Becky watching TV. Matthew's in there as well somewhere. Matthew's on the... Whoa! Matthew's right there, not feeling too well, but he's alright to fly. He's just got a cold. Okay, see you later.
Barney!
You want to sit up on the table? Okay, Daniel, where's your little match thing?
You mean it's lighter?
Yeah. Ah, hot.
Don't you bite me! Don't you bite me!
Oh,
We got light it again.
here comes the fire. Matthew, come blow it out again, okay?
Don't touch it though. Don't get close.
Help him blow it.
But we have to sing first, Matthew. Hold on. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday